Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix League of Legends error 1B. So there are a few methods to this. So here are a few steps you can try to fix the error. The first one being is if you're in the client, you can do is head over to exit and then sign out. And then try logging in. If it doesn't work the first time, you can try up to 5 times and then it should work. Now, if that doesn't work, press Alt F4, exit game, go to Task Manager, go to Processes, find the right client, make sure to close it, press Delete, and leave the Vanguard open. Once you've done that, you can try running the League in administrator mode. See if that can help resolve your issue. After that you've done, try relogging or try launching a game. You can do like a custom game. You can try like custom training or whatever, practice tool, just to see if it loads. If it loads, it means it works. The last thing you can try is initiate a full repair. So for that, you exit out of it. Go open Task Manager, close League again, close the client, head over to Hextech Repair Tool, download the Hextech Repair Tool for the, Windows or Mac. Once you download it, install it. Once installed, run it as an admin. Once in here, initiate full reinstall. It says not recommended. It will take some time because it will delete everything and re-download everything. And you can try either first or repatch. Maybe it's just because it didn't properly patch the game, or you can do full reinstall. And once you've done that, you'll get logs. Also make sure this is ticked on, add firewall exception, and make sure the gather system logs are ticked, and click start. Once that is done, you'll get this logs, and with this you can send them to the right support. If you didn't resolve your issues, they should be able to help you fix the issue. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.